experience sa boat ride? Hana? Yours?
Usually.
Ha? Yun na.
Pinuboso ba yung event pa?
Hindi.
Sa YouTube or yung edit mo pa?
Wala. Naka-store lang
He
minsan.
doesn't even watch it. He
Huh?
just post it.
Hindi ay may time ako kinabasa ko eh. Hello.
Hi. Hello, subscribers.
Ray Cartomano.
Yes.
Traveler. Tuna eater.
Okay. Okay, a picture.
Okay, get closer. Control 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
This one is the famous na Kyoto Bridge. Very historic. Kyoto used to be the center of Japan centuries ago. No? Before nandito yung ano ba yung kuwan dito? Sinong emperor ba sa Kyoto?
Sino?
This one, left side, kanina pa to, hindi matapos-tapos. Mahaba yung pila, no? Famous na coffee store by the river Arabica. You know, the runner, oh. Lakas, oh. Hmm? Parang 10 to 15,000 yen for a 30 minute na ride. Oh. Magaling, oh. The dam, oh. Ito, this water system nila. They have pila ba dito? Oh? Kapagod din, no? Pila, no? Ah, ito sila.
Kala ko magpunta sila.
Hindi.
Kala ko magkikila sila. Surprise ako eh.
They're the marketers.
Marketer lang.
Marketers. Haba ng pila. Ay, we're nearing.
Dito pwede ako. Ipashare mo niya ako.
Go. Where do we eat ice cream?
On the way here, baka meron.
Ha? Here? Let's go.
Y luego, del otro lado,
Dito na kami sa intersection. Here. Kiers, mag-selfie tayo dito, Kiers, oh.
Ano gamitin ko?
Ito.
Camera mo?
Ah. Ah. Ito yung bridge, ha? Pag ganyan.
Landscape o portrait?
Eko, ano maganda?
here.
We're having a selfie, ayan, oh. By the bridge. Okay. So where do we eat ice cream? Okay. Ito yung intersection. Let us see.